All right. So for example, this is actually probably pretty decent data to use on go-to-market tools. So let's see, the first tool is, whoops, not Airbnb, Airtable and Whalesync. And I'll show you in Webflow what we've done. So we basically created in Webflow, in the blog part, the CMS, a collection, and then or a bunch of collections. And then inside of the collection, there's a template for a profile. So you would go here and you could see, for example, we have this is these are all the records in our investor directory. We do have a bunch of companies in this one. And then on the website, what we did is we created this sub menu under directory. I'm assuming it's up. So for example, go to market SaaS leads to this. So this is a list view. And if you click on any of them, this goes to the profile. So
Cool.
then what we do is we would take, for example, this list, we would copy it into Airtable, and then we're going to sync it to Webflow. I think this is the other one. I don't know what this one is. I think this is the investor one. Yeah. So we should probably relabel it. So, and then these are all the company ones. So then what we would basically do is we would create a new table under, then we can do this. Okay, so let's connect. This actually might be the easiest way. Oh, that's not right. Um, oh, maybe that was right. It says we're already connected, so
Weird.
this should work. Hmm? That was weird. All right, so that's interesting. All right, so these, let's just relabel them, I guess. This. Is this like the category? Maybe, right?
Industry, maybe. Data. Yeah. Looks like industry.
Is it? Let's look on here what we created. These are the fields we have, so we don't really even have anything for that. So we'd have to either add it or just ignore it.
How easy is it to add it?
Great question. It's Webflow. So
That's fair. I'm sitting here I need a crash course on how to manage a Webflow form. It's way too complicated.
yeah, I wouldn't do it. I'm just like, this is a waste of time. So this is like overview, which could be like description. I mean, this is founded. That's some weird formatting. What's it doing? Oh, I guess because it's like, all right, so do we need this column? Can't delete it? Huh, interesting. This is what year founded. which is not a field, but there's data. Segment.
Almost weird. Almost looks like stage,
Yeah, kind of, right?
but it's like, how do you define all those?
I don't know.
That's objective.
Rising growth. So there's a bunch of data here that we could add. What did we do that for?
Because that's the country.
Yeah.
Weird. I usually, yeah, do country.
Yeah. That's silly. I don't know what this is. PS score? I wonder what that is. I have no idea. How do you select a column and delete it? Hmm. I don't know. Can you move it? That's weird.
Not on drop down.
No, it's blank. It's like grayed
It's
out.
like this. Maybe try another one. Maybe you can't do the first one.
That's on one. See, it's the question is why? Change primary.
Yeah. All right. Now you should be able to.
All right. So there's 1,000 companies.
Perfect.
And then let's see, are there any? So that'll give us like title and description. I don't know what this is. We could use probably that, like whatever this data is. What is this?
Industry or like department maybe.
That's like type of tool. Like
Yeah. Yeah. If this is companies, then
it's because these are like content management platform. It's a marketing automation suite. Like, so I don't know, we could put in their description or something else. We have website, we have company name, why you should follow. That's interesting. Could use the overview, but we're gonna use it twice. There's category.
what if we do?
Oh, that's what that is. That's go to market category. So this is the original list.
Okay.
So that is segment is okay, as I see. So go to market category is what this is. So yeah, we just got a favorite tools. We could put it in there, I guess. We just might want to relabel this. I think we'll use that
Yeah.
field. Is it?
You like favorite tools? That's fine to put on a
We just relabel this.
person. How weird is that?
Fuck, do you edit it?
Yeah. Uh,
Do you edit it? Yeah, maybe.
favorite tools.
Yeah. So it'd be like, what do we call it? Segment? Go to market tech category. Where is it? Save field. Okay, that's not too bad.
Yeah.
And if we're not, we could take Twitter and change it to something else. All right, so save collection. All right, so we've got our data. We go over here and we create a connector. Mm, okay, that looks right. So I'm gonna create a new sync. We're gonna go Airtable. It's probably this, right? It does something weird in the UI unless they fixed it. I showed it to them. They're like, oh, that's weird. I'm like, yeah. Where you go, Webflow, and then it'll swap them. But then what you got to do is you got to pick the direction. Shit. Why are there two of these? I'm assuming that's right. Yes. So, all right, let's see what happens. See if it does it again. Oh, they fixed it, I think. Where's the mapping? Here we go. So we're gonna go. Yeah, that's right, because there are two tabs. Then we're gonna go to market SaaS. And then we're gonna say, oh, so they did fix it. Okay, whatever. That's great. So we go company name, company. So just that's pretty headquarters. Is there one? We don't have one. Oh, that's annoying. Created category. Title maybe? There's no description.
No, company H or yeah, country or company? Country HQ.
It's like the
Is
head.
this not pulling the fields off of the Webflow connection or collection?
Yeah, it is. That's why it's not in there. So we've got company. We don't have a headquarters, so I don't know where it's going to fit, but well, I'll have to figure out where the layout is. There's a part of this that there's a layout, I guess.
Yeah. I mean, we can probably get rid of Twitter.
So yeah, it's in a collection list, whatever the hell that is. So it's on the page somewhere. Stage, growth stage, something like that. So what did it call it itself? Collection list or collection page. So we'll have to look at that. All right, so save that. Probably go after here and refresh. We don't have like a website. I mean, we're not going to display it because we're going to get them to sign up for it, I guess. It's weird. Yeah, it's right there. Am I blind? What? How can that be?
So weird.
Kind of weird.
Maybe it's labeled something different on the back end.
It's not even in there. So, oh my God, just discard. Add field, file, email. Would I just do that for website maybe?
Link?
I don't know if we want to send them traffic though.
Yeah, I agree. I think it should just be a text. What is Crunchbase doesn't do that, do they?
I don't know. I doubt it. Got it the first time, guys. So I have to what, publish it or something? And again, can't map anything. I know. There we go. We don't have headquarters, right? Do we? Oh, we did. Okay. Okay. Well, why am I not allowed to add more fields? What am I missing here? Oh, because it's not this. Got it. Webflow requires name to be mapped to this table. What?
So the company name. Yeah.
What?
I guess this one's a little bit different than because these are companies or tools rather than people.
So what are they saying? This is not, I guess this depends where this is mapped.
So I think they should be mapped to name.
Yeah, we're gonna have to look at when we learn how to he does the layout, that'll be helpful.
Yeah. Type of SaaS.
Huh. Why do I not see? Oh, that's that. Then we don't really have employees. What else is on here? Why you should follow? I mean, that should get us started. So then we basically want to go only this direction. So we go from Airtable to Webflow. Let's see what happens. See if we have to upgrade or not. I guess what else I'm curious about is if it automatically publishes it. I can't remember.
The pages.
Uh-huh.
I hope.
I think it did.
Surely, because I mean, how many do you have on investors? There's like 2,300.
2,500, yeah, 2,300.
I feel like you would remember if you had to go in and publish those. Maybe not though.
Never.
I watched a video on Whalesync and it looked like it works pretty quick.
Here we go. Two records failed already? The fuck? Why
Yeah.
is it
Let me
failing?
stop it. Yeah.
So why is
Just
it
stop
failing?
it. And then
Maybe tell me why. S-
man,
There's nothing going to the slug, maybe.
slug is their description.
Or it's like the be part of the URL, but yeah.
Well, I have it. Okay. Yeah.
Stage is not there. That's weird. But I can't reuse company. So do we duplicate it?
I guess, yeah. We'll have to duplicate it in the Airtable.
What else could it be? Like we don't have title? What's
Uh,
field 10? Oh, it's that number thing. We have funding.
well, overview.
We already mapped that, right? Why you should follow.
Oh, yeah. And so if you go and look at the like a directory page on the site,
Uh-huh.
there's a
Like,
little blurb right there. So enhancing your user experience in SaaS. I wonder if that's a slug.
I don't know, maybe. So
Maybe we just have a column and we just put there's just a space in the cell. Let's see what this looks like. Right, one more. Yeah.
what else do we have that's not mapped? Company is not mapped. How's that possible? It's a logo.
I guess would go under info, maybe.
So company name here and
Or maybe it's that top one.
oh, it's in three different spots. That's stupid.
It sucks you can't reuse them. Maybe just map one of the remaining fields, like your founded or something, just so we can see
Is it
where it's gonna
not?
go.
So what? Because we duplicate the data for slug. Do we have to create a third one? What did we'll just call it, that's fine. Because we're gonna learn the hard way here. It's growth stage. Let's see what happens. Hit the scan. Find out. We don't. Come on, baby, let's go. Christ, what is going on? Why is it not syncing? Why are they all failing?
Weird. What if it's something on the Webflow side?
So weird. And they're all failing.
Yeah, stop it. Okay. So it sucks if they don't tell you either.
Like there's no information. I don't get it. Like these dumb problems. Where are required fields? Does it tell us any of the requireds?
Just those two at the
There's
top.
name and
No name
slug.
is
So
flowing.
what's the problem? All right, so this is what title, name. Okay, so the name goes there, title's there.
Yeah.
Uh, company, company again, company again. So what the flip? Go to market tech category. What am I missing here? It's not generating the data. Be helpful if we knew. So weird.
That is weird. Trying to think through it here.
Maybe
Yeah, what flow requires
that's
you to
why.
replace your site after. Oh, okay. Well, maybe that was it.
Thanks for telling us nothing. Okay, let's try again.
Run it.
Such a silly reason not to. I was finally surprised.
Oh, yeah.
So I don't know what that do not don't match thing is.
Gee.
Ah, what is going on? All right, so with some records worked. Maybe there's something in the data.
It's working, kind of.
Yep.
Okay. So yeah, I guess it was just the publish thing. Publish error.
Something's up. All right.
Yeah,
So it's something.
I like it.
Sign up.
Cool. So now we just need to market to these people. So let me make a note.
Yeah. We'll send them all. We have to figure out who the contact on this list probably is because they're all
So we'll need to probably enrich it.
probably maybe with seamless or something.
Yeah. Yeah. So
And I created, oh, where to go? Wait. Let's see. So this spreadsheet will kind of say these are all the different lists. There's a tab for each. I created that totally. I found this like just searching my drive. So I obviously been thinking about this for a while.
cool. So
But yeah, this
thank
is pretty
you.
good. We'll get some.
Okay, because we just need to pull the ones that were successful,
Well,
not the ones that are failed.
you could just email them all. Because we're gonna
Yeah.
eventually want them all to be successful.
Yeah.
Why are they failing?
Could just have missing data. I'm guessing if one mapping is broken, then it's just gonna fail the entire sync. Or it could be a formatting thing.
Size of the field or something.
Yeah, text caps, like character limits. Who knows? I don't know. But it's definitely something on the Webflow side, and I'm not shocked.
So weird. All right, so yeah, it's a little. And you have access to Webflow, so
Yeah.
all right. So I made this board. I invited you and Elena both joined on. So I
Cool.
think like she's got this is what we're looking for, right?
Yeah.
And then this is what this is all this stuff.
Yeah.
It's not ideal, but it is. And we have what's going on? Why do I not see the ops web? And then we have Ali's changes, right?
Yeah.
So are these different? Or is this his video?
I think that's his. I recorded a new one today for Elena, but it's the same thing that I sent Vlad. I just made sure that it was clear.
Man, what is with pop-ups? Like, can you not ruin our lives? All right, so we're gonna do something with that.
Yep.
And then this is